the question clearly. The question says the table shows the distribution of the number of complete lengths swum by a group of swimmers. Alright, so you have length and you have frequency, that means number of swimmers. And this question is from the group data, right? And how do you know that? The intervals are given. The values of x is in the form of range. Alright. So for modal part, that is quite easy. We need to highlight the one with the highest frequency, and highest frequency is 20. So I can say that the mode is 20 and 40. It's an easy, that is why it has a weightage of only 1 mark. Now it says in the second part that estimate of the mean. Basically it refers to estimated mean. The working formula to find out mean is summation of fx divided by summation of f. That is the working formula. But all we know that for estimated mean we don't have the value of x right now. So what we need to do? You need to find out midpoints to find out estimated mean. Right? I hope that you can easily recall that working. So first you need to give it a try by yourself. Time is 3 minutes to solve this question, and then I will start. So begin. Alright, so the first thing you need to find out the midpoint, that is basically x. So the midpoint of 0 and 20, it's 10. The midpoint of 20 and 40, it's 30. Midpoint is 50 and the midpoint is 70. Now we need to make another column and it's f of x. So 5 tens are 50, 2 threes are 6, so 600, 500 and 75. It's paper 1 question, try to avoid calculator. So now the summation of x is 50 plus 600 plus 500 plus 75 divided by Summation of frequency is 5 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. It sum up to 600 plus 500 is 1100. 1100 plus 50 is 1150 plus 75 divided by 25, 30 and then 40. So 1150 plus 50, that will be 1200, and 25 is 1225 divided by 40, that is your mean. You need to simplify it further, so I will cancel it with the 5. So 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 20, 22, 5 4s are 20, 25, 5 5s are 25. But I think there is a mistake, and the mistake is calculation mistake, and that mistake is like here. So we need to multiply 70 by 5, right? So 70 times 5, that is equals to 350. So that is a mistake. And now you need to add 350 in it. So if we add now, so it's 650 plus 500 is 1150. 1150 plus 350, it's 1500. All right, divided by, in the denominator we have 20, 30 and 40. Now that is quite simple. So 0 and 0 cancel. So 150 divided by 4, if you solve it, that will be 37.5. all right. So moving on to the next one. Now that is very not a difficult one, but that is a tricky question which you will see on your screen. Wait a minute. All right, that is a question, and that is very tricky question. I have witnessed that mostly students stuck at this question. So first you need to give it a try. The question is not so much lengthy, so I am giving you the time of 2.5 minutes. All right, so you need to give it a try first, and then I will explain. In this question, all you need is the basic concepts of mean, median and mode. So try to do it by yourself first, and then I will explain. So begin. All right. So basically, it says that the guy played 3 games of cricket. His mean score was 9, median was 8, and highest was 7 runs more than lowest score. All right. So I'm saying that the guy is playing 3 games. So I just draw 3 games here. His median score was 8. That means we have the middle value. It's 8. Sorry. It's 8, right? His highest score was 7 runs more than his lowest score. So let's suppose if the lowest score is x, can you judge what will be the highest score? Yes, you are right. It will be x plus 7 or 7 plus x. These are the three scores he scored in each individual game. Now, the given is what? Given is mean. And we know that mean is what? In general, we can say that it's sum divided by n. If you apply the formula here, so what is the sum? Sum is x plus 8 plus x plus 7 divided by how many games he is playing. So he is playing 3 games, right? And the mean value is known, it's 9. So now that is an easy equation you can solve. 3, when you shift on the left side, 3 nines are 27 equals to x plus x, 2x plus 8 plus 7 is 15. You need to shift 15 on the left side. So 27 minus 15 leads to 12 equals to 2x. And x is equals to 6. Now that is not the final answer. The final answer will be he is playing 3 games. The lowest score is 6. The median is 8. And the highest it will be 6 plus 7, that is equals to 13. Alright, so that is an easy question but a tricky one, right? Not the lengthy one, not there is a large, large steps of working or any specific working formula. The basic concepts of mean, median and mode lead to the correct answer. But that is not enough because we have another part of the same question, continuation of that part. So it says that Dai batted in the 4th game. The mean of his 4 scores was 11 runs. Find the number of runs that Dai scored in the 4th game, sorry. So you have the previous record of his 3 games scored. So first give it a try by yourself. Time is 90 seconds to think about it and how you are going to solve the unknown in the 4th game. So give it a try. Start. Alright, now in this scenario he is playing 4th game, right? So if I apply the working formula of mean, in generally we say that mean is sum divided by n, right? We have the scores of previously 3 games and that is 6 plus 8 plus 13 plus the 4th score is d, I don't know the value, divided by the number of games are 4 now and the mean value is known, it's 11. So you need to multiply it. So 4 11s are 44 equals to 8 6 are 14 plus 13. It leads to 27 plus d, right? Now you can easily find out the value of d and that will be equals to 17. So I hope that all of you now clear with this question. Moving on to the next one. It's from June 2010, paper 2-1. Now it's paper 2, so calculator is allowed in this question. The table below shows the amount of time spent playing sport each week by 80 students. So you have total frequency, that is 80. You have the table in that you have hours and frequency. Question says calculate an estimate of mean. Alright, estimated mean. I told you in the beginning of the session that estimated mean has a weightage of 3 marks. Alright. So first you need to give it a try because you know very well how to solve estimated mean questions, and for that part I am giving you the time of 3 minutes. Alright, first draw that table in your lecture copy and then start your working, so it will be quite helpful for you. So start. Alright, the first thing you need is find out the midpoint. So the midpoint of 0 and 2 is 1, the midpoint of 2 and 4 is 3, the midpoint of 4 and 6 5, the midpoint of 6 8 7, the midpoint of 8 and 10 is 9. Now you need to multiply fx, so 20 times 1 is 20, 31 3s are 3, 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5 times 22 it's 110, 7 5s are 35 and 9 2s are 18. You know the working formula how to find mean of a group data, that is summation of fx divided by summation of f. You need to add all those values, so summation of fx it will be 20 plus 93 plus 110 plus 35 plus 18 divided by the summation of frequency. If you want to add them you can do that, but summation of frequency is already given and that is equals to 80. Alright, now I need to add all those values, so 20 plus 93 plus 110 plus 35 plus 18, it sum up to 276 divided by 80. So when you divide it by 80 it leads to 3.45 and that is your answer. So you can observe that the question is quite easy, and with respect to the question the 3 marks are very good marks to score in such type of questions. Alright, so I hope that all of you now have a clear idea how to solve mean median mode and how to attempt the past paper question. Keep in mind, past papers are very important. Whatever topic you had done with the book, then you need to attempt its past paper. That will be very good practice. Alright, so I hope that it is quite enough for today class. Inshallah in next class we are going to start new topic. But then take care and Allah Hafiz.